Hi, Dr. Mejia with Jupiter Dermatology and Hair Restoration. And a lot of people ask me about vitamins or nutraceuticals to help support hair growth. And do I believe in them? And I do believe that hair vitamins can play a role in helping support hair growth. I personally do not like to call them hair growth vitamins. I like to call them hair support vitamins. And I believe that companies such as Nutrafol that have put a lot of thought process and research into some of the factors that affect hair growth is important. And some of these things are these natural ingredients that are in the products like saw palmetto, ashwagandha, tocotrienol complex, curcumin, and marine collagen peptides, biotin, vitamins, and other inhibitors of hair loss. So as you can see here, Nutrafol carries a variety of different products that are available for men, women, women's vegan, women's balance for women over the age of 40, or specifically women that are in their postpartum period. So these vitamins, in my opinion, do play a role in helping to support hair growth.